which is that of Manyena Koko Upami. In our setting, our local setting, anytime you hear a name of a person with the title Manye preceding, then automatically you have to know that you are talking about a queen mother, because Manye is a title for queen mothers, and for the chiefs or the kings we call them Manche. So man is town, and Nye is mother. But this goes to say that we have welcomed you. Once we have welcomed you, we wish you nothing but the best whilst you are here on the compound and also in the country. That is why we are going to give you a special plant that our people resort to for its spiritual abilities. Now this plant in our local dialect is called Nyanyera, but in English now we know it to be hyssop.
My name is Christopher Miller, but my new name is Ni Plote. It was very enlightening, and a bunch of love was spread in the naming process. We learned a lot. We learned how we became a part of a new family, and it was just awesome, and it allowed us to come back to our roots and allow us to join with our ancestors, and we're just ecstatic that we were able to do this today.